one of the main things that, one of the main uses that people have for Excel is they keep track of their money. Because it's very useful and very easy to do that. So we are going to set this up like we have a savings account. As you can see, here's our savings account, and here's some dates. I made those up, and here's kind of a list of things that you did to make money. It's a very good idea to keep track of this sort of thing, how you made the money and how much you made, and also the date, because then you can go back and keep good records as far as how much money you made. But then you can also know how much you charged certain people for the job that you did. So what we're going to do is, we started out on August 18th. We had $5.33 in our account, and then let's say that we mowed Grandma's yard and Grandma paid us $10. Every time you put money in the account or take money out of the account, you'll want to find a new balance. The balance is how much money do you have. So if you mowed the Grandma's yard and she paid you money, you're going to increase the amount of money that you had in your account. So you're going to add. And as you already know how to add, you're going to click where you want the new answer. And then there's a couple of different ways you could do it. The best way would not be to auto sum, because you don't have a whole lot of digits and amounts that you're going to sum. So the best way to do it is simply the first way that you learned. So we're going to click where we want the answer. We're going to type equals. So up here in the equation box, going to equal. And remember, we're not going to add $5.33 and $10. We're going to add the cell names. So we're going to add C4, how much we started with. Notice it puts C4, plus how much we added to it, which is found in C5. Okay, then we'll hit enter, and we know then that we have 1533. Now you could do that in your head, but I'm going to grade this. I'm going to click right there and see whether you wrote the right equation in there, so that you're understanding how the math works, that it's this plus this. Okay, so our new balance is 1533. Let's say that we babysat the neighbor kid, got paid $8. Then we're going to have a new balance. So we're going to click where we have the new balance. And once again, we're going to add, because we're adding money to that. So we're going to click, this new balance is going to equal our previous balance. You don't want to go back here before all of this. This is how much we have now. So we're going to click on what we have now, our most recent balance, which is C6, plus how much money we were paid for babysitting the neighbor kid, and then hit enter. And now we're up to 2333. Okay, and then you can go through, you helped rake leaves, so that's going to give you a new balance right there. You babysat the neighbor kid again. This time, look, you got $8 for babysitting that neighbor kid and $13 for babysitting this one. Maybe it was a different kid, maybe it was for a longer period of time. So this is why it's good to keep track. Okay, that's going to give you a new balance. And then you mowed Grandma's yard again, and look, you got paid $10 again. And so you're going to end up with another new balance. So you need to find these 5 balances. Save this as your last name savings account, and then turn it in.